My name is Volker Kruger from Van Velden-Duffey Attorneys. What tax is payable if shares in a company that owns land, fixed property, are being sold? Now, the answer to that question depends on the type of property that is being held by the company. If it's residential property and you sell and transfer the shares of the company owning the residential property, then transfer duty is payable. There used to be an exemption that no transfer duty was payable, but that was changed a couple of years ago. So in any case where the company owns residential property and the shares are sold and transfer duty would be payable. So that would actually not be a reason to sell the shares instead of the fixed property. In most cases, I would actually, in any event, advise a purchaser rather to buy the fixed property as such and not the shares to make sure that he gets a clean asset. Because if you buy the shares, then you take over the company, and there might be issues with SARS or whatever related to that company that you basically then take over, and SARS can then sue the company and therefore through the company hold you liable for those taxes. You obviously would have a claim against the seller based on the agreement, but if the seller in the meantime has passed away or is declared insolvent or has moved overseas, then you might have a problem to recover that amount. So the fact that you have a claim against the seller cannot be used as a defense against SARS or whoever the creditor might be. So that's another reason to rather buy the fixed land and not the shares. If, however, the shares are transferred in a company that owns commercial land, then the same principle does not apply. Then no transfer duty is payable. So there might be an opportunity to indeed save some transfer duty if the purchaser, of course, is prepared to take the risks that I just explained by transferring the shares instead of the land. So once again, depends on the type of property, whether there's transfer duty payable, where shares in a company owning land are being sold and transferred.